Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrated that during the illness preceding the Prophet's demise, he said, "Summon some of my companions to me." I asked, "Shall I call Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu for you?" He replied, "No." I asked, "Shall I call Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu for you?" Again he said, "No." I asked, "Shall I call Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu for you?" He said, "Yes." When Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu came, the Prophet ﷺ spoke privately with him, and during their conversation, the color of Usman's face changed. Later, when the crisis of the day of Al-Dar occurred and Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was besieged, we asked him, "O Amirul Mu'mineen, why don't you fight?" He replied, "The Prophet ﷺ took a covenant from me and I will remain steadfast on it." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23163.